How many of you have ever something in the first hour of your day, you've woken up, you did something that you weren't expecting. You bumped into something, you cut something, you spilled your coffee, somebody drove in front of you, you accidentally blah, 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 and then you said in your mind, finish this sentence, there goes
My day.
my day. So you immediately choose a way of being of it's going to be a crappy day. And then what you do is you spend so much time and energy trying to find evidence on how crappy your day is. And then you'll ever see this drive-by? When you want to pull somebody into, not the bad drive-by, this is a different one, right? Where you try to pull somebody into your misery in your world, because so you ever have somebody that just looks way too happy? And you're not, so obviously, so you do this one, ready? Ever see this?
What's wrong?
Well, let me tell you, right? What's wrong? And you like swoop down. Instead of changing your way of being, you can choose it. Then you spend the whole day finding out all these different things. This is bad and this is bad. And then here's another story that we created in our mind that's insane in my opinion. Then what happens? We go to sleep and all the stars realign and the planets come into existence, and the energies of the cosmic universe wrap around. And then when you wake up, it's a new day. Yes, it is. And everything's fantastic, and birds are singing, and Bambi's coming over. Oh, and you stub your toe, and there goes that day too.